Today I'm gonna clean again. No, but seriously, today I am going to not do the opposite of spring cleaning. I am gonna clean, but not for spring. I'm gonna do it for autumn or fall. Let me see if... Is it fall cleaning? Okay, hold on. Yeah, okay. Okay. It's called fall cleaning. I'm gonna do that because today is the 29th of September, which means you will see this. I don't know when you're gonna see this. Hold on. So I need to do fall clean and then preparate my apartment for the most festive of the festive seasons ever. And in my mind, that's Halloween. So I need to do a fall cleaning before I even start doing any of the decorations. So, do you like my outfit? It's very Halloween-y, fall-y. I have boobies, pleated pants, and one of these things. Yes. Okay. Ooh! Or should I start in the living room? Because if I start there, I can... Yeah, okay. We're gonna go room from room. And me...
Please hang up and try again.
Thinking of starting in the kitchen, moving on to my living room, then take my bathroom and hallway and outside, and my bedroom and my wardrobe. Oh, okay. You will see which room I am in. I can write it here. Which room I'm in and what I'm doing. I'm gonna start in my kitchen because it's the least stuff here. So let's go. So, kitchen is done, but before we start with this mess, we have to get all of the Halloween boxes from my storage in here so that I can start decorating. So, look at me struggling getting all of my stuff back and forth. Now when... Oh god, I got so scared. I got a text message. Whew. Okay, so now I have all of my Halloween boxes from my storage. Now it's time to just make sure that I deep clean my living room. Let's go. Okay, I wanted, yeah, this will go the best angle we can. Great. I don't know if you know. Well, you don't know. I have a new friend. It's a new plant. Let's make sure it's not suffocating in this plastic. It's a coffee plant in a coffee mug. Best. He's from IKEA. He's gonna live on my living room table. As well as I got 3 new cushions or pillows. The best thing that I bought is a scented candle from IKEA. And this candle works all year round. I might be the happiest person alive right now. Wow. Just gonna... Oh my god! And the scent is coffee and cookies. If you smell this, it's called område. I am going to link... Attack! I'm gonna link this down below. They have smaller sizes as well. This smell is a definition of the Swedish word fika. Because fika is literally in England you have your tea time. We have fika. If you have an IKEA nearby, go and smell this. Oh my god! It almost smells like a vanilla coffee, frappuccino, something delicious. Okay, so now I've wiped everything, cleaned everything in my living room. Oh, my hair, god, okay. Cleaned everything. Just gonna sort some bits and bobs in my bedroom. This will be really quick. So let's just wipe everything down. Make my bed because I haven't made it. And make sure that it's all nice clean.
Exploration, you know.
Okay, bedroom done. I have my echoey hallway left, as well as my bathroom. Oh, and outside. Okay. Here's the thing. I am not gonna make it today. So let's come back, do the hallway as well as the bathroom and outside tomorrow or the day before. The day before, that's today. Tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. I don't know what day it is, so yeah. See you then. Bye. Okay, this is the room that I've been dreading. That's why I did it last. I'm in my bathroom and a lot is gonna get clean. The mirror, hi, you're very dirty. This soap is leaking. now everything is blue. Because that's nice. My whole bathtub needs to be clean. Yeah, okay. This is a stretch, but let's go. Okay, bathroom finally done. The only thing left is my patio. We need to secure it for the winter. My poor plants are otherwise gonna die. So, see you. Now I'm ready to go outside. I put on a jacket. We are going outside to fix all of this and prepare for winter. But before I actually do that, I am going to paint. It's sort of like barely raining outside. So we are gonna paint as well as file down some stuff. I'm gonna show you. Come on. Okay, so I can't really close this part because it's too tight. So that's why I have this one. Okay. Now when I can close this, we're gonna paint it. And I'm gonna use this. Yes, let's paint. Okay, everything is painted on the inside. Now I'm gonna show why am I not even in focus. So, everything is painted on the inside, aka what I see daily. Now I'm gonna paint on the outside. Because this part wasn't always a... I don't know what grind is in English. I would write it down. I'm gonna call it grind from now on. It wasn't a grind before, so I made one, or my dad made one. So now I need to mask that I made a grind. Let me show you on the outside. So this is what it looks like on the outside. Beautiful? No. So this is what I'm gonna paint now. Okay, so hello. So I initially thought of taping around, but that takes too much time, and I don't have time, so it's done. Yay! Now we're gonna work on the inside, aka the patio. Let's go. So this is what it looks like right now. I have a lot of cushions, a new couch, this table, all of these plants, and pot. That's not a pot, that's a watering thing. Yeah. And my goal for this is to move my plant box so that when and if snow comes, my plant won't die. It might have less. The chance is less big. The chance is smaller. Here we go. The chance is smaller that they will die. So, steps start brushing all the leaves and spider webs and everything away, and then move plant pot, cover the cushions, and move my table. I think that's a good idea. Let's go. Okay, sorry, so my battery died. But this is what has happened. Big difference? I don't really know. So I moved my plant box. So that everything won't die as easily. I'm gonna move my table so that it doesn't hit when it rains and stuff. As well as I covered all of my cushions. I cleaned them and I covered them so it's sort of protected for the elements this next 6 months. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. Yeah, and this is actually the end of me prepping for the cold weather. Me fall cleaning. It feels really good, really nice. Now it's time to make the apartment that you now seen into a spooky, Halloweeny, fall apartment. So, see you in the next video where I'm gonna show you everything. Yes!